Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to offer voiceover services on Fiverr. So you need to do some things. The first step is to choose a niche, that is commercials, audiobooks, explainer videos, or any other one under there. The next step is to optimize your gig. Use keywords like professional voiceover and highlight your tone, for example warm, energetic, and you can also include accents. Then the third is to showcase samples, add demos, different styles and languages if possible. The fourth step is to price strategically. Offer tiers like basic, standard and premium tiers. And the fifth step is to promote. Always share samples on social media and respond quickly to buyer requests. Now these are the mistakes to avoid. 1. Poor audio quality. So just invest in a decent mic and quiet recording space. Second step, generic gig title. I will do voiceover. No, instead use something better like professional male voiceover for commercials, 24-hour delivery. So the third mistake is not having a demo. Buyers need to hear your voice first. And the last mistake is slow responses. Fiverr ranks active sellers higher. So here's a pro tip. Offer add-ons like background music or fast delivery to boost earnings. Hope you found this video helpful.